Hi, I'm Aranya Mukherjee, Computer Science Department 3rd year Asutosh College, and I'm going to speak to you about the Asutosh College Firefox Club. First things first, you have to be a Firefox student ambassador to join the Firefox Club. You can do this by going into mozilla.org/contribute/student ambassadors. Go ahead, read the page, and then click on Become a Student Ambassador. Then you have to fill in your details, hit on sign me up, and remember to give school name as Asutosh College if you are indeed from Asutosh College. Then otherwise you can give any of your name from whichever college or university wherever you belong. Then you will receive a mail saying welcome to Firefox Student Ambassadors. You can forward a copy of that mail to Asutosh College Firefox Club at yahoo.in, or you can just send a screenshot of it to the same email address. We just need to know that it was indeed sent to you so we can confirm your place into our Firefox Club. Now about the club, this is for people passionate about technology. It doesn't mean you have to be a tech whiz or good at programming. Well, if you are good at programming, then you can log into Mozilla Developer Network, also known as MDN. You can Google search it or whatever and see the source code to a hell of project and they have been working on. You can modify them, you can see them, you can learn from them actually, or you can just spend your time checking them out. Just download them, use them and see how they work. You can, if you find some bugs, then you can also report to them. This way you can help them make their products better actually. Firefox Student Ambassador, you are actually being a part of a whole worldwide network of passionate coders, organizers and activists who have a common ideology to support free and open source software, open web, user privacy and web security. Just to name a big points actually, Mozilla is a not-for-profit organization. In our club, I'm specifically stressing at the fact that we will strive every day at least to educate a person about technology. You can teach them how to use a computer, how to use internet, basics of these stuff. These things can be of use to them in daily life. You can also teach them how to build web pages or websites in just a few clips with, for example, Mozilla's web maker. It's actually a pretty cool stuff. Basically it helps you easily build a web page or so without even, if you don't even have working knowledge on how to code them, you can do it. It's what you see, what you get type, but also in the process you learn how these technology and the codes work. So it's pretty useful. Now, Mozilla is a not-for-profit organization. It was formed in early and pre-2000 era when the web was very nascent and a bunch of folks thought that it would be cool if we built a network of people who can code in open standards that will be working in all devices and operating systems and embrace the free speech and expression idea also over the internet. So they made Netscape completely coded and supported by lots of people across the globe, and slowly it turned into a mass movement to support and promote the flow of creative ideas from all over the world across the web, and now it's called Mozilla. This organization is called Mozilla. See, it's pretty cool, right? Which has Firefox browser for your desktop, for your Windows, Mac or Linux, which has also introduced recently Firefox operating system for low powered smartphone devices. It is just as smart as your smartphone in your hand or your pocket. You can also try it out on your Firefox web browser by downloading its add-on, but just log into Google about it and you'll get it. Mozilla is also fighting to stop digital surveillance in order to protect users from being spied, for example. All of this is done by Mozilla only because it is a community-driven organization and hence keeps users first. Now, by being a Firefox Student Ambassador, you're becoming a part of Mozilla's community, worldwide community, and we are empowered to do as much as we can to change our society or at least do good in it. Speaking of Asutosh College Firefox Club, let me just call it ASCFF Club. We will focus on web literacy. We will teach people about the web, how it works and how our technologies exist and how open web standards have been keeping the web free and open. We want the web open, right? We want everyone to get the opportunity to be on the web and do whatever they want. Web is a public resource, and like all public resource, it should be free to all, no discriminations or whatsoever. Now, Asutosh College Firefox Club plays a small part comparatively in all this. I spoke to a fellow Mozillian, Shreyas. He had initiated an event called Kidzilla, which helps underprivileged kids to learn the basics of computer and internet. And I would ask you all to come forward and join hands with me and our club members to do the same stuff in our community, we can do this, right? It's just an act of humanitarian if you think so. So be a Firefox student ambassador, join our club, and let's get going already. Also, there was one event about women empowerment. See, if you think that in our community still women are being subsided or being downsized by the patriarchal roles of our society or whatever, then you can also take part in the WOMOS, which is Women in Mozilla, which helps women, mothers, housewives, or whoever not very literate in tech be well educated about it. So I guess that's it. If you have any doubts, then comment below. If you have any questions, same comment below. Keep sharing this video. We want this message to go across all over as much as possible. And also, being a Firefox student ambassador, it will not consume all of your time. Being a student ambassador takes just 5 minutes. You are free to choose how much time you want to spend. Well, there is nothing to lose. What you gain is a hell lot of experiences. Trust me. Bye bye.